Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2018 Honda CB300F. Twin cylinder, naked, lightweight sport bike, fuel injected, liquid cooled. This bike is in really beautiful conditions. Got a nice little wind fairing. Beautiful metallic dark red, only 18,000 miles on this gorgeous Honda CB300F. 6-speed transmission, gets about 70 plus miles per gallon. Come on by, make your motorcycle dreams come true for just $39.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.